Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Sorry I haven't filmed in a while. Been real busy. You know, we have a lot of jobs going on, and before I'm a videographer, which I'm not really, I'm a general contractor for my client. So we have a new project out here. I don't know if you follow us on our Instagram page, but we have a new project out here. It's a 10,000 square foot Spanish estate. Really nice custom home. This is drawn by Axis 3 out of the Temecula Valley. They're the same ones that designed the massive ultra modern custom home that we're building right now. And we also moved equipment on a big 14,000 square foot custom estate that we're going to be starting here in the next day or so. But what we're doing today, we finally got approval on the grading out here. So my operator's here now, and he's pushing some dirt. You know, it's probably going to be about 3 weeks before we get this thing all done and the slopes and everything cut in and the pad cut in. But we're moving right along on this project. This house is going to be absolutely beautiful. The homeowners association out here, this is in the La Cresta area of Marietta, California, and the homeowners association said this is one of the most beautiful architectural renderings they've ever seen. So Axis 3, those guys are incredible. You know, we give a big thumbs up to those guys, and we love building their projects. But anyway, my dozer operator's out here right now, and he's on a big D6. And fortunately, we got a little bit of rain last night, which we don't get much of here in Southern California. So it's really helped wet the ground because we got a guy here, you know, we have sprinklers on the property that we let run all night. We got a guy here that's spraying with a hose. So we got to keep this nice and moist and everything so that it's easier for the grader and the dozer operator to, you know, push this dirt around, and then we're not dusting out the neighbors. But you can see right here, my operator's here. He's making it happen. You know, we've been waiting on this project. We are super excited about this job. And well, we're excited about every job, but I just can't wait to build this. This property out here is incredible. I don't know if you live in this area, Southern California, but La Cresta, oh man, it's all 5 acre, minimum 5 acre estates up here, and it's absolutely beautiful. Lots of oak trees. And I'll show you something really cool over here. There's some rocks over here where, if you saw this on my Instagram page, there's some rocks right over here where the Native American Indians or indigenous people or whatever you want to call them or they want to be called, they ground acorns right over here in these rocks. There used to be a big oak tree here. You could see where it rotted and fell over. So this oak tree probably fell over, you know, 100 years ago. But see the hole right here full of water? So they were sitting right here grinding acorns. Pretty darn awesome, the history of this place. There's some more right over here, a couple more. Right here, 2 more. So, you know, fairly deep. That one's really deep over there. So there's been a big oak tree growing right here. So, you know, I picture in my mind they were sitting under this oak tree, you know, 150, 200 years ago, or who knows when. But yeah, pretty darn awesome. So anyway, we're gonna film this whole thing from start to finish. We have some time-lapse cameras up on the property. We have some up there and all around. So, woo, out of breath. It's steeper than it looks. Anyway, appreciate you guys following the channel. My name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development, for those of you that are new here. But like I said, I'm going to try to film more. I don't know. I need to find somebody to do all this video stuff for me, but just been super busy. We have a lot more going on than just this. We have commercial stuff. We have a bunch of big homes, and I've only been filming one at a time, but I'm going to do my best to bring you guys more content that are following the channel. You know, I'll see what I can do. But anyway, hope you guys are having an outstanding day. Let's get up here and take one more look at the view. Beautiful out here. Thousands of oak trees. Nice property. Absolutely love it. Anyway, appreciate you guys following. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on our video. I'll be posting more content here in the next few days. So I hope you guys are having an outstanding day. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and appreciate you watching. Have a great day.